Who needs a gym when you have a cat in a box? When you see something strange on your walk, and it's definitely not a squirrel. This dog's ninja skills are on point as he sneaks a snack from the owner's hand. This playful duck loves getting thrown into the pool. This fearless pine marten just pulled off the most daring heist ever.
That's so cute.
Oh, Jesus, give it a rest already.
That moment when you're trying to nap peacefully and your human ruins it with ridiculous questions.
Are you comfortable?
What?
Get the f out of here!
Oh.
Shut up and let him try.
When you think you're a graceful ninja, but end up face planting.
Look at this dude.
5-year-old prodigy on the harmonica, joined by our talented singing pup.
Wow.
That's pretty good.
Who needs coffee when you can stumble upon a bear during your morning walk?
Pixel, come on. Pixel, come on. Pixel.
Run! Run!
This sterilized cat is trying his best to stay squeaky clean with that cone of shame.
Wait a minute!
Dog thinks he's the lead singer of a canine ambulance choir. When your dog thinks he can be the perfect handy dog.
Can you hold the light straight?
Come on now, dog.
Just strolling through life with the ultimate dog fashion statement, the portable pup purse.
Slay, queen, slay.
When your puppy steps into my turf, things get personal. This cheeky monkey thought he hit the jackpot.
What the hell are you doing?
Missy!
This owner has the power to summon reindeer.
Very nice.
Doucement, Nelly. Nelly, doucement. Viens là.
When the disapproving cat shows you who's boss, watch out, young man.
That's so unfair.
Bye, have a great time.
When your King Charles Cavalier thinks he's the ultimate crab whisperer.
What is that?
Come on, come on!
Ready for some hair-raising adventures with this mischievous lion cub?
Is that safe?
Oh, hell no!
From happy tears to endless cuddles.
Surprise!
Watch how this furry pro steals the spotlight and maybe some treats in an epic goal-snatching move.
Ven, vamos. Vamos. Oye, oye.
I'm back, boy.